Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily recover your Gmail account. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Gmail application on your device. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then after, simply click on the drop down menu and click on Add Account. Choose the option of Google and verify your identification. After that, you will be heading toward the sign-in page. Provide your email, and as you can see, I entered the already existing email. So, if you have already forgotten your email, click on Forgot Email. You can easily provide alternative email for your Gmail account or provide your phone number. Once you provide an alternative email, you will receive a message from Gmail within 48 hours. Using that link, you will be able to recover your Gmail account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.